Billie Eilish looks like old Hollywood glam personified in the first trailer for her upcoming concert film, Happier Than Ever, a love letter to Los Angeles. Billie Eilish is happier, and blonder, than ever in the first trailer for her upcoming concert film, Happier Than Ever, a love letter to Los Angeles. The singer, 19, teamed up with Disney Plus for the project set to premiere on September 3rd. In the first trailer released on Tuesday, Billie is old Hollywood personified with her retro blonde hair and evocative vocals. Directed by Robert Rodriguez and Patrick Osborne, Happier Than Ever will feature performances of tracks from the singer's second studio album of the same name released last month. The cinematic event, set to take place at Hollywood Bowl, will also feature Billie's brother and frequent collaborator Finneas as well as Venezuelan conductor Gustavo Dudamel and the Los Angeles Philharmonic. The trailer is about as operatic as one would expect, alternating between animated versions of Billie and regular flesh and bone Billie. It's a concert film, but it's also a story at the same time, the Los Angeles native narrates in the trailer. I definitely have fantasies about LA, a whole different world interwoven with my world. The Ocean Eyes singer described the concert film as a kind of beautiful version of old Hollywood set at the timeless Hollywood Bowl. On top of performances, the film will also feature interview segments and animated segments that pay homage to the singer's native Los Angeles. In a previous statement following the announcement of the film, Billie gushed, "Disney is incredibly iconic, so to collaborate on something like this is a huge honor. To be able to present my album in this way and dedicate it to the city that I love and grew up in is so exciting to me. I hope you love it." The first trailer comes after the singer debuted a shorter version of her platinum blonde hair on Monday. The new look falls just above her shoulders and features stylish fringe bangs. The update comes after she initially bid adieu to her signature black hair with neon green roots for a platinum blonde in May. On Instagram following the debut of her shorter blonde look, Billie shared throwback photos of her mother Maggie Baird with a similar do, revealing that her cut was inspired by her mama. Related gallery. Billie Eilish, pics of the singer,